My name is Pauline Chong. I'm a chef and a food writer for many decades, and today I am going to teach you how to simplify gochujang vegetable tofu stir fry. Let's begin. First of all, you put you use your cooker on, and then you put 4 tablespoons of sunflower oil in. You can use any coconut oil you want. I tend to use sunflower oil or coconut oil. 4 tablespoons. And you put
What's that?
about a teaspoon of sesame oil. And you put the cooker on to a high heat. And you put about a teaspoon of garlic puree. And a teaspoon of ginger paste. The holy trinity of any Asian cookery is garlic, ginger, and red chilies, and that's 2 red chilies I've just seeded, diced into fine cubes. And all you do, flavour the oil on a high heat. Wait for the oil to heat up. Just keep on stirring that. Gochujang paste, which you get from any Asian supermarket. I got it from Seoul Plaza, which is a Korean supermarket in the UK, and it's called Goachuang red Korean paste. It's got chilies in this. It's spicy. But all you put is about a tablespoon of this paste. And you just mix that in. With a tablespoon of dark soy sauce. Dark soy sauce is this, for colour. Add the stir-fried vegetables, and I happen to be using mushroom stir-fried vegetables that you buy from any supermarket, and this would cost about £1.50 per. It's a 320 gram bag. So you just pour that in, and just toss that together. So to cook the vegetables, and finally add some preserved lemons, or you can use proper lemons. I happen to use preserved lemons, tastes better. Use about 4 slices. That just balances the flavour out from the gochujang paste, because it tastes more lemony. 4 spring onions cut up. This will feed a family of 4. This dish. Now, and the stir fry's done. So now, instant noodles. You buy it in packets, freshly. And you just break it up. Fresh at the same time. Taste. A good chef should always taste their food. That's nice. Noodles and it should be done.
Come on, talk.
It's ready now. I'm just plating up. Yeah. Let's have a taste. It's spicy with chilli, but the gochujang paste you can taste, but it's got a hint of lemon in it. Where I put the preserved lemon in it, so it balances the flavour out, and it is very nice. I urge you to try this dish. It's a quick and easy dish to make, and also it's a very cheap to make too. More affordable to make. Forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share with everyone you know my videos. Okay, and I hope you enjoy watching. Until next time, thank you very much.